I get asked all the time, what are the first things I need to absolutely have in my kitchen to start cooking? It's simple, easy, and I'm going to walk you through it. First thing you need, measuring cups and spoons, because without these, how can you follow a recipe? So measuring cups and spoons. My second most prized possession are my wooden spoons. Great for all my pots and pans. I probably have a few that are even 30 years old, but don't tell anybody. The next thing that you need is a good set of tongs. Doesn't kind of matter how long they are, but it's always good if they have a locking mechanism. They'll take up less space in your drawer. Keep the silicone tips. It's better for all of your non-stick pots and pans. You'll be able to pick things up and nothing's going to scratch. These are by OXO. I love that brand actually. The same thing with this peeler. Great for all your vegetables, and in particularly really good for that lemon zest for your cocktail. Mine gets a workout. And then the last thing you need is a really good can opener. Again, OXO. I like this one because it's an offset can opener. What that means is it goes around the outside rim of the lid of the can. It doesn't cut the inside. There's no sharp edges. It's a great thing. I just went to Crate & Barrel, picked all this up, easy, and now you know what you absolutely need to start with your kitchen.